yene the founder of the new force, Nana Kwame Bediakon, a transfer studio. Very elegant, wonderful, as usual. Bema, good morning.
Good morning, Kofi.
Nampom to say.
And
Kumase Obaye et saying.
Kumase they say I crew.
Old boy. Kumase boy. Now what he?
Asukwa.
Oh, Asukwa here. So you're back to our constituency. Asukwa now what he?
Oh, meti around Emisa Hotel.
Oh.
Achawehine.
Oh.
Opposite Daniel Some.
Oh, that's great. That's great. I see. Now by what me afefi?
I'm in fair fear, but say Kumasi this is Kumasi in fear. I'm Nambia in fear.
I see.
Cheddar and Kase Asukwa.
Of course. Yeah.
You know, it's good to be an Ashanti.
Of course.
Our story of being an Akan, so we are Kania. History.
Yeah.
And I'm very, very proud to be one.
But all this while, in fact, until recently, now me will tell you, now we are typical American because now I say, you know, the narrative, you know, you had that in California, you had your Abosu Hong Kong.
Oh, the Vinessa, me Agasano, the international this year,
of course,
yeah, local this year.
No,
some of the lifestyle now,
yeah,
and Crawford have adapted now.
Yeah,
it's because it can't be no mutu intia, but me them if it's Misano,
yeah,
say I'm it here, me cry, near fat taxi. Now fat taxi dada misimentrem. Oh,
nkwala bremu nyina. So free tite.
Obisa me say dan na me say $100 sikania bako.
Oh, I see.
The same fare.
That's interesting. I see. That's great. That's great. So Udu Kumasi for me himself free BA and was started to I watched you from northern region and Michelle and so a bit from BA. That is the Bono East. I don't know if I'm right.
Yeah, Bono East.
Yes, Ufri Horn region. Yami Adma Wachna may aware of your town hall meetings. Before we are to say Kumasi, we see the reactions.
But Kumasi there, now me cook baby baby tamale say any part of doors from me ana me call Boliganso.
Yeah.
Nah, oh shit.
Sure.
And me flew on say me call Sefi.
Okay.
There be me call Gosso.
Okay.
I'm free Gosso no me call Techima no me call Sefi. So
wow.
That's Kumasi mom there now.
What about you? Me were one of more young groups on my page I want for the new force. And the vibe, the kind of commitment as a Mabunenya for you. What is it? Then I also.
It's me there no.
That idea no o share chana.
Yes, idea and I'm share. Me share is me dem hu share. Me dem comment.
Yeah. Okay.
Nya Ghana phone crab pen na me gina ho mo. We share interviews bi amaye wo Arise TV ne other television.
Okay, bear me microphone kakra. Yeah.
Okay. We share ni nyina akra na.
Yeah.
Awutimu se nkra na me kasa mo mo se ete say mo mo mre. Ete say mo mo chances ni bi. Na ete say etimi twe mo bata.
Yeah.
Mine mre mu. Mine ye mu. Because unkra ye ya o mana ye. Ehia unkra asemaba. Se wuni aduane a wodo be ma unkra didi a na che se mine ehia no.
Yeah.
Na se obi anso ani gi a economy no ebumi. So obi are wa na economy no stress it. Nti me dem free say di panso mo dos mo mine mu no. Omo ye nkra. Nti se nka a businessman kra na me ye kra na me pese me ye president a. Nka nkra na me invest wo mu. Because omo ne dodo no. Kind of your friend is a human resources.
Sure.
So we should Google, ni Facebook, ni idea. Ni pardon ni here omo.
Yeah.
And omo details keke no mo. I know crowd omo be yes kafo.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ti menya hu se me so me mind no dey won crowd omo wa hoden omo betimi e move ya ko future no. Me pese me see future mo omo. And actually me ni ha omo nyina akọ omo ni omo ban so omo tima to aso.
You scared Ghanaians. I mean, throwing into the new force. I feel everywhere in Ghana, billboards, and it took the country by storm. Beyond Ubisa questions, everything. Then all of a sudden, you unveiled the new force. No man for dreams say bia adibi krana na over. So the truly the idea is out. What started Tall Ghana? What is the vision? The presidency, my NTS. What do you seek to do? for Ghana?
Kofi, what was that? Ghana 40 years in it. And who said parties be banner parties be caught. Be banner be caught. I know the can hire.
Okay.
Because Obi Bano be demands soon or quiet and high. But Obi Bano be this soon, Obi Bano be this soon, and I didn't be back in Timinko in Nabani by a Chidiana. Nah, I was say, Obi Sutimiaku could draw, sorry. Now, what didn't it in the contour was a movie trial, moon transfer the animal man coining. I know the pajama, Mammy General. You might will be
okay.
She comes here, Namia Shami would be.
You are blessed.
And yes, Abia. My bassam Babe Pesica and I say Babe President Nibia D. And you be a crown president for Nibia Bread and Guasian at home because no more can you know no more.
I'm waiting to be on yet.
Tianuti Nambaya, but me buy a just say Crana more my Muhano.
Yeah,
Mu future no. A cop and your friends who are Omina if you free Chromako.
Yeah,
Mujane. Yama Memonso, Mammy for more Manano. Almost Omunano, Omunida so in Asa.
Yeah,
because what the Akrana could school away, and so Akranin to me Juma. Also, and a Juma say, we also are Likunawu. Now, Shenswa, Abrofua, Neba, Gruma, and move a fire machine, and since I seen on with the machines, and no matter so more and so, or Moya, or Munya Emma, and see ye, or Muna, or Moya the tree on one Casanoma de P. If we say, necessary, na me be general. Na me so mitimi nyese me jepa wa ne keke na medibi na metimi aboa aman mu especially in crowd mu wo ne ma me fo mu wo adwuma nya de minim ye so wo hwe me chin so na wo hwe no mama ye ya mi aya na metore bia na me pese me hwehwe obi a ono so tse me wo man nim ana me bre.
I see. Niema why comparing developments. Any Japade ni niema wa ubien who ujiri so to wo Ghana hasisia.
Me nka ne sa but mpaje ana me pɛ me so nipa.
Ana
me bre.
Say we nya bia da me so obi anto no no.
There been just be here. Ebi wo ho. But it's not easy to find them. What in amateur no.
So for now nya hu bi wo Ghana.
Ye ndoso ni ame pesa me ka.
Oh okay, mo ndoso.
Ye ndoso na ye doso kra na just ni awono si o si ebia usano a oti wealth building ase sika kra ase sika hwehwa ase any nipa nimdi ase se na esi nipa yesisi man yesisi communities ne sa no mano se ebi wo hokra na na me manya partner nti se obi wo no otie bi no or sa level na me so frame me because I would like to work with you.
But my Mr. Do you really mean say the business of becoming president 2024 e Ghana at December ye best who enim e ballot paper no so Ghana for koto abama because a man for I want to say you have your everything after all sky will be Ghana so politics is becoming a new business so what are you coming to look for? What's all about the youth? Is it the only means to build the youth?
Yes, it is.
Really?
Power in here. Okay. Now we krana aban and a makwan bebre a man no masisi ukroma. Chinese for ukroma mutu ye good. And yen nipa a omonenam adum. And I say nipa omonenam makola no mokofa China for ba so mo juma. Okay. I aban e bie kwan mo be juma. Say aban na dwene say obema ye nyina atimi agina na so na say o pushi say factories near the ade nyina say say bakroma na adwuma ba e betimi asi because ono na e power not to endorse. Ono understand what power not to give the license. Ono understand what power not to do a lot of things. Enti eno de o can me pese nyesa me correct you but me catch you straight say that is what it is.
I say
wonya power bia e betimi ama wonya kasamu nkuma untimi nko wanim.
Okay.
Na sika ne de nka me obi en me sika ka na me di mintimi nko ka bibia nche aban.
Yeah.
What in me chonso aban pese o ha me obe ha me. Nti eno asam ne yeka no ene na me pese me ma wote ase se nkran no nyina no so omo ha no so no omo so omo yede na aban no so yede na school no omo kono omo wie school na ye ma omo degrees na omo ntimi fa nya adwuma bia adwuma ni omo so omo nyede na obi a wo fa ne sika wo Ghana wo de ko China koto no maba e beton no na ye tonfo ana nkrofo no omo betutu ye gold omo tutu ye normal wo krom ha na omo di sisi ndan wa brochire no a omo be fa ye sika omo fi se before ye jimifo no na nka ye de nka enim ye leadership na MY nti eno na me background radio station ni adade nyina no me pese TV ni obia no mo hu se me nya abotre kra na ene mre na me betra ase na me ne mo kasa it's because me pese dom no omo te se yes se nye se me nida sika sembi so anase aban sembi na me pe president bi adi anase den asa adwuma we e adwuma nkofo bebere bedi yakura na omani magu ase president bi wo ha obaya promises ye oye nyina wantimi anyemu ba kokora ebi mu kora nso omu nsi danda enso ye so omu besi kuro na mo anso mo na mo ye dom na mo aye madwen se mo de kokuru mo ti si so na mo de nipa na si ho awie na o nyansa a watimi ehu se obi wonim de a obetimi edi oye dikanfo no wakofa no ama na di ukan ye wie a house obesans gina won se me economy nye me we nye nti che se wo hwe kora na man no kora no akoye sesese no ye duru ba bi enim ne ye
I see.
Enti na meso masore gina won se kukrumuti na ye bedada nipa na odi asisu na economy obi we ba na obefa ne opa aba ne mane ne yere mu ne nuanom we nso ba na ne opa no abaye na mane bresa me ye Ghana ni Kofi mini baby akọ
Odi ani
aha na mete
of course
ni wu aha na ebesie me so
the executive build the parliamentary system Ghana ehia pa because obey president you need that arms of government. O plan ye then o build youth to be no more independent and I say how are you working on that parliamentary system?
Me nyina beba nse eso mutumu nse na na kwa me bedi akoro obedi akọ nse sha grow ya ase no November na me sha ase
yeah
o hwe November 17th aba be si match ya kro no
a shaky
aha ni bibia na me ka kiro
okay
at the current time buy am share mask no na person me do come back to one cause our story and now history before any say ye kire nipa your identity
really
ni man kasa any say nipa timi hu na e betimi aye
I see
ese se o mbe hu ane se waye aha obi nso be free se wontimi nya nti wo ring mu kra na person obu nipa wo ye boxer ese se onipa kro no use to champion tactics bi
I see
na wakukuru ni de na hwe ho David o yi Goliath ahwe wono na no ketwa bi Goliath nso gina okese
ade amamfo nsusu se wo ye
nti eno de parliament ni sa no ma ni nyina no we're here to rebuild it properly to change a lot of the narratives in our politics in mono if the constitution and so I check from 1992 tweaking and as a review kra munya ye say it be demand so maybe a 4 years cry na ministers cry and shuffle ye anti cabinet na nkasa cry no say adwuma na nke ye kwa nke si o sa na nkofo ko in and now sa 4 years ta just say you don't check and review things if you say there are a lot of intelligent and crowd maba omu wo nyansa bi ma ko school duduru a kire wo kwa Ghana for omu wo Harvard ni ade nyina omu tete ho Harvard crowd omu head the whole Harvard omu head back e Ghana ni a friend no Emmanuel a champion ati ase omu nyina no omu ti broni krom na omu de omu hoɔden na omu nyansa esi broni kro no because we ba man mu no bibie ni ho akra nso kasa omu si akra ntimi nkasa penyimu pene kasa penyifo no so enye bibia na kire se nyansa ni nyina ne gu omu trim nti mpesa me kire man ne se enye se wu nyina na wunya nyansa
I see
wo ya de ya na wunyansa nyini
Nana why you've built wealth at this tender age if I'm using that word advisably Ghana biggest problem ye dey in Nigeria is yentimi and breaking.
My biggest problem. And also
what is Ghana's
problem? There's no such thing as the biggest problems there. There will to hana problems no a unity. We are crack straight away we hear milk. We are penny more we hear sika. The problems no na mumu no and kofo na ombetimi finding solutions to problems no. They will keep finding solutions and the problems is the biggest for some people but it's the smallest for others. Solution is what we need to talk about. Na you kura listening to you statistics idea to dry hwehwe mu nyina no we 60 something percent omu nyina demand for jobs ya omu nyina ye kwa ebi so mo a listening to nti ye ebi so masem ne omu pe no na ese so omu bisan ne omu pe so omu ka kire no omu ka kire na ye so ye fire note ni ade I don't know the be policy nti u bisan me say parliament ni sa no man manifesto ni nyina we're using a different strategy the better and yes be akofa broni bi dia wa try to one ya be ready a kire mu ada mu there be esa na wo hwa adwuma asem na ya asem kese pa What I say, Nya can be a 12%, 8%, and 10%. Mammy for money at their day, kuna for near their din so no system be anywhere bomb. What I say, and then if he says snake near their dinano, it's me try 60 years, a bim by 40 years, so munyo musicano.
Yeah.
Yam famo, yam famo, a bro chroma. What I say, and a system no, the old machine no, and Cheddar and Dimwa and mine for no. What I say, we walk across no, then go for Mufia Bontiamba. Maybe or mobile so I am or more wow too. Say Moka, Munya, so no investors. Investors now mobile criminal. I'll be some by invest to a hano. Yeah, quite rich out who as I say, investors. Who as a workers.
I see.
Now they are all bloody free crumba now investors are near the no many name or more. Now investors near intimate invest and your bruni no invest one the group. On one you good no other fan or they are invest one group. Now if another now 2 cruma would try and say 8 investors maybe I'm free sem pamcho nyansen in mammy crack because they're more moody minds so no sasana ever dreaming na say intimate ya good na yam fan ya sika na sika the wire there it's say Ghana yetiana yes ye tram will be a tresica every Switzerland dia bre na come die queen uko China so man no muto musika uko Dubai obi etwa ne sika uko abrochire London udu Africa yenyina yetetia na abrofo na etwa sika bre na yes ye man no nkrofo na bedi aso no mo de akokosa de yenyi omu nyina mfiri ho because nyanyansa mame.
I see.
That is the new force. We stand for the people. We want to go forward. Ye pe say ya dia just say emma yen papa mo yen nananom yen nuanom yen ba mo embre na ye bredodo na munya yen so amosi leadership na china way minister way na president way na bibia so nkoso mu fani pa bebre na mu gukro ma say leaders yeso adwuma na gu ho yen timi nya sika bebre na gu ho oyo na ye wobi gold ye wobi cocoa ye wobi bibia ye wobi na china for ba no ma pa gold no kra cocoa crisis so much as edua or China very soon ye na second biggest cocoa producers in the world na ye dey match Chinese for almost omo fanko bibia gold mu fanko nipa no mu for omo nko bibia ye na mu na sha ase so omo ton omo ton ye sa freedom Jacob Caesar. I've come to stop all of those nonsense. We should end it. Because your bread, you just we are then and can see every bank yen. Nka still abrofo no kra mpese ombebu yen. Me fabro ni kra adwuma na opese ocheche na ma pam no. Me sake no na ono a hu say yes, me sika na metua na na hwe wona na yire ne ma. Sa na bi before ete say ye. Ete say ma abrofo be ye adwuma ma yen. Ni ejai say abrofo de bia no ma be di eso, ma be di eso. Na no so ye kesa na say den kofi.
What's that Michelle? I've had a privilege to interview almost all presidents of Ghana. Nanado, Rollins, Mahama. Yeah. I said, what take your life very easy and very simple. My baby bisa why you are in Kumasi. How long I will be the me? I wear say town hall meetings. There were KUST name, other more. But my mimi say we na remember your activities directly in Kumasi. You've been around over the years. Well, presidents. What? I don't know. You've been voting, right? Our Ghana.
I voted once.
You voted once. Our Ghana. Which year?
I think it was 2016.
Obeka said, are you much into Ghana? Because of life, you lived outside.
Kofi, let me correct you here.
Okay.
Back Ghana. 22 years in Namo Abrochre. Me free air kono. Me 15 years. We did 21 and buy.
Okay.
Buy no me kwa Abrochre no. Did 21 me nya £1 million in the dada. Me buy no me 20,000 pounds and buy. And I me 1 million no invest your baby. It is that time no. Me sika bia no. Me invest your kroma. I'm a scanning nyina betra $500 million. Me sika bia ni abonte. Ma thought dan wa Abrochre ni adade nyina ada. But it's scanning nyina gu kroma.
Really?
Aye kroma na me die gu. Me ye bibini me asantini me ye Ghana ni. I'm the son of the soil. Go and bring me one person that invests like me. Or what doma crow way to say me. Kofa presidents no plan the betre me. Be bremo the moment is in Kunyane so. Apartment crow munti min sibi. Ejuma crow en fama ni pada. Enti this is my place.
Yeah.
This is what I believe in. Ebia who say me nkrofo bi ni na match so mo ye legends ni ade. Omo kra no adwene da metrim ni ade bi e wo me ho ni sunsun bi e wo me ho na atwe oma ma be me. Na me de me nkodi o machi sa. What I say, but who can't where I live for, who I stand for is Ghana, Africa, and a black man.
You to be who have struggled all how in life. How do they make it like you?
You can't coach anybody to become rich. That is not going to happen. I'm telling you.
Oh, really?
See, Capeno, Yenchero say, say you na obey say no why say me na me catch you sika kura e bible mu kura you say no this car or my omobias and talents na 1 2 and 3 no nia odini de e double no or triple no on dey this kind mom anya no this ye nti sika pe de sika kura say one kasa why you ready say obe kura sika na
so we should save
no save nya kura.
Okay.
Save in your crack. Save
with the
susu.
Okay. So sika krano you mean
sika krano just say ukra sika na I quite to say ukra sika na nipa miensa. Baako your family baako yare.
Okay.
Baako so accommodate.
Okay.
Na baako so peduma. Na why you say oh ene ma minja sika ni nyina emma ni bia o yare no.
Okay.
What you say.
Okay.
Na we discard man na nkoso a. That is when to me and Buana and ye.
Yeah.
Near wait my journey says Sika way no. Say me di bisha.
Okay.
Na me de kakratua.
Okay.
Na me catch the way so nya but say mammy no mammy mrebe 3 days. Na me di nya kababe ka ho. Na ma catch ne won answer say by 1 week time no. Met me nya adwuma mana. Obehwe no na me answer problems ni nyina no. What solve it? What is Sika kotoa na?
Okay.
What I say because yeah e wo mre bi wuwom. Na sika ni nyini ese say fifi na ne ka say kra na wo bisa me ntimi breaking it down wa kira wo na wo de sika ne share e man mpanyimfo nsem na all of a sudden wo bi wo kra na onhu $2 million da $10 million on fair bin sisi ndan fa bin nya investment na abeto nsem onhu ne on fa nye sika no so onhu ni sa no e bosom sa e bonsam o san your ba nti
sky oba
your ba we ya obejao we ya obeko
I love that.
What in a metron na ye wo ha na de amma panyimu bia che se na fuso kaka nti che se wanyini nti mu fasika ne hye ne nsam no onim kra ebe yeden.
So you don't teach wealth, how to make wealth.
You build it.
You build it.
You build wealth.
To youth at 8 year Ghana as everybody is struggling because more say usa and how to get that money. I mean
say we say me see kwan so no obi am bisa me say o kwan uduru wie no afa no obi abisa say hefa na ofiri ba so na me twon ate say ete say etimi nya abotre ne ko achi kakra na say Ghana man mu ete say etimi hu say obi ayeye kura na sa ensem na wo ye numu say no nya ne sika wan ye drugs ana ye cocaine na say sika duro no sanka ni nyina no yentwa so bible kura no empe noise a voice
campaign
they be min cases campaign obi asem no na person ka bia wo ka but me see bible
now how does this campaign?
No, I'm saying that skip the noise,
okay,
and obey the voice. The voice is stronger. Noise no e didi bebre wuntimi nya hwemfiri ti asem ba ko pa e betimi di wa fatene ne ebi so a wo betimi gina wona so ye enti nkura na o maba no se munhu bibi na ye mofa it is say musua it is say you have to adore, adapt, and then slowly absorb. Now what me atwimi. Now the greatest people in this world no, ye wo no munye great. Omunyini no, no mbeye great. Now they been to no mbeye great because they appreciated greatness. Inti appreciation there, ade ehia no ma mienu a nipa hia wo wiase ya pa. Important and appreciation. She said when you skakra said then krana upese u feel important. To pay baby almost kufia santi na aba no na te se utima yo de kakra what you say
na ya hoho kakra
ya hoho na utima
na manfo hu say wa bobra
aha yo ho ane o masafro se kufia santi and today we're giving you the honorary award of then now
I watched one of your videos I think UK or US one of the biggest hotel swimming pool be danche baby na I think ladies being some guys be share and it was that with imposing character, that confidence. How a guy? but these areas, what is it? Is it connection another day?
No, I'm
like you are almost everywhere.
No.
Yes, when you scan over to be a good Ghana. No, it's man for no time we unveil you anymore. I mean, many youth. Obia kazo mamenya and when you scan.
Sika dem to be grand enkoneda be bia investment me tie kura me invest because me hia me pa ye memre ti me ti me ba ha de memre amawa
of course
me fa memre wo say me ba betra akeka akasa akokwa
of course
me nim senkrofo bi tie me sese a umbenya aba bi afra sem na make nemu what you say enti chese nipa de o time kura no say hu say very important change life I mean, life now because I'm surrender and da. Until now, because I'm taking it easy. No, life is not that important to me as much as my time. Because life, media.
Okay. Yeah. Mame, take this quickly now. Mame itinerary for Kumasi Awaba, but I think for what maybe I will share on your TV. Nana Kwame Bedi, co-founder and leader of the New Force, and of course, or no, and 2024 election, he will be who say name at the ballot paper. So Ghana for calling say Montuaba Mano to become president of the Republic. Probably will be the youngest president we're going to have in this country, if all things being equal. Nana, what be Kumasi? Ubidi na saying there any day na obabe.
Kumasi the way I could be me 1 day, but I had me 5 times.
Hey, 5 days. Wow, that's great. 5 days. It was over free. I'll be next week Wednesday.
Next week, this week he just said. And me hand over trophy no for New Force tournament now my boy no me say aswase 4% we see so there be bantama for
okay
anti me hand over trophy na ma the winning team no
okay
na me free hwa me say me so me hu Kumasi for just a sports for our money and gross nobody didn't to me flew.
That's great.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Michelle and for more Tafon so your New Force crew or heart is almost so I'm Tijai cry.
You said you almost see boiler was one. I'm saying, hey,
Omotikuna, Tinkrano, massive for member, that was sending man, and I'm waiting. I'm in this shop. Now, somewhere could draw down as I see Pejana, Yaka Crana, Quaco Cone, and Numerica Crana, Bears of 4, Maquaco, who Maquaco say bye bye to our legend.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so rest in peace. Misana Miko school no. Now no Pokunti Abdul Razak or Muna no mo me legends. I just say. I just say Oma Kotoko Jinan and Nasu Yenti. Say no Koni ho me some kohona. Me ko leno, you know, to rest in peace because legends, you know, as I say, di bu mo. Of course. Ba wiase no. Omo life ni na no mo de to oman. I just say my cry no who say there's a future,
of course.
And I don't know me na I say me no dia na dia medima ho me kakra na ochina no me call SG more e hona me you listening to no
okay
it's an open space
obi me ba everybody
okuafo hiafo sikafo
I see.
I say New Force no we're not too politicized because the anti-politics na say but yet the leadership I say
okay
nti mean seven so nyese we be we na we aye we answer no aba obi abetima baby
okay
we NDC we MPP kra obetima baby
brana bra biti
na beka bi
nine
na questions bi abeso obi se bi abebi se na opese o man no ko bi ano so that is the freedom that we're bringing to the people and me free on so
and you tambe
and we 2
awia
2 p.m.
Oh, okay. To be kra kwa sorry a na chese waba enti momra me hia na Kwame Bedi akon na on fire the New Force vision
osajefo
I see.
Okay just say omo na me vision free omo science and some yakeka ye no bi na ye trotro point no eno so na de be tro ye policy ne manifesto no na akoye ti say akoye minor sem en ye de atro ti omo hia sem because me free say ye be ye politics kra na say national governance traditionally, you know, your culture should be infiltrated. It should be somehow synchronized with the vision. As I said, frame, as I said, Jim.
And it's all best Tommy Ken US so.
Oh, and number catch we. When you come on. That's why and I saw your promotion.
I'm seriously because me money tap out. I tell you. I mean, I admire you from afar.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, I say we should admire greatness. I seriously admire you from afar.
Thank you.
And me share most of your outside videos who call big places. I'm saying, hey,
thank you.
Me and my yeah, you look good. I mean,
thank you,
especially your fashion. I mean, I just love it.
Thank you.
But one picture me who nice. That's a me also for India meant me and come.
And I almost say me call flag.
I say flag star. So I just say my honor. I wish as a swag president wo Jubilee House wo.
I'm some
person. I am Gaddafi. Man, quite basic.
I'm some person. I'm casting new King Solomon.
But would that be the case?
Oh no, I don't think so. But
we're sure
it's good. Say we are say, and so. emma timi nya ho do.
You will be sandwiched with women.
Ehia say enye sandwich asem.
Okay.
Say obama bi wo ha emma pen power and just no mo da.
Ba mape wo.
Mape na spirit wo they are happy.
Na say who is can't mape.
I know so back home but they have to be happy around you. What in amachonas? Ehia because wo hwehwehwehwa emma nyina na nyina efiri mu bae. What you say memma ne mba nyina na nyina so ye try say be sa akọ
so nana mape wana.
Oh there be kofi na una open ma aka. They all kind map. And my wait.
No. But with persona, you are a wonderful personality, and you look good. You have the and virtually attract women. You have it.
But me don't want
oh, why you back? Oh, back up.
Me don't want me back up.
Why back up? I see. No, I was saying. Oh, that's great. So, will be account.
Oh, serious. And crying boarding.
Na skaba brebe we we yandai.
Ebia na matiasi kroma me say me mo amabunu. Say nkwa bebrebe.
Oh, for pe ongu biem.
E boarding.
Na here for kra wo 10 ne 7 ne na oh.
Nya ka chom som ko kunum kakra.
So KUST guys will meet you.
KUST.
It
is some call. Ghana education.
Yeah.
In himself crab bebrebe o mo mo de amper degree.
Okay.
But when person me share my success story, them say there's a code.
Okay. Success, there's a code.
There's a code to
success. I see.
You know, I'm person you know mudi into tumuna kofobi ohwa omosua na besides that no so no a university to ameya na catch about my university challenge. So say me decided say me 1 out of 10 universities that may choose 1 million Ghana.
1 million.
Or the group be our mobile presentation, you'll be winning. No, the more no much business. I say now the country I may say, and some person me boss school for na baso. I say school no more. Yes, some copy degree can no copy.
So the 1 million to school master scholarship.
No, it is 1 million cash. No, or the presentation
to a person.
No, it's a group to say 5.
Okay.
5, no.
Okay.
So more presentation.
Like what is called challenge. There was this program called Challenge, and the group will come and present vision, project, now proposal. The idea and they are solid. No between they are a business, you give that them 1 million. No, I mean.
I go feel your top.
No.
And
I see. That's great.
Me feel say sikano ye the more mo na say hwe omo so no mutimi e de ye bibi within 6 months to a year na next year so obi fufuro be gibi no mo ye ne sa na e be kakra no say school fo no kra no so mo graduate here no mo ye business people dada and me person me say be networking access emma 10 universities or 12 or 14 in the country. Inti I say some baby school no no more connected that. Kofi atama me can say I'm investing in the youth because omu hear me.
What approach out there by in business could be the disruptive approach. As you are going to disrupt the entire system in Ghana now.
Oh, you can call me a monopolistic disruptor, but it's fine. Once I'm able to monopolize everything, I will come back and industrialize everything.
Belgium new woman now or mu deporting. What to say?
Shaliba.
Yeah.
No, yeah. Now, say, and no crowd, so say, BBI a record. You must a record.
Yeah.
Now, produce by my who say, no, dear. History crisis say, maybe I'm in here on Bacasa. Abemwana. Already the first guy or may before deporting Bruni crew.
What do you feel disappointed? The process I will go through and the wunti or my nana.
Still, yes, still I in year Juma.
Oh, okay. But so intimate Bagana for now. That is when you become president.
Because Emreni Swam Manaba, as you say, a manaba because you can't take Bruni Bako or no Baka Saka free chroma. No way that Chinese for 1.5 million more poison in Swin. Now, what do I do not to Hokrana? It is a will be interest at dear own penty and the money, yes, sir. And no credit as I say, say no maybe or high as I see ye shiny ye. Na a farm in Indiana, you didn't know, sign as a dear Modia Godi, and I will write from Sakura, ye Indiana, ye doing Chinese phone a wokruma, or cry in deportee or intimidate me free set time, and so I am sounding the banana momono, a dear Ghana for so much as I say. And your politics, okay. Because New Force and your political party.
It's a
It's a
movement.
movement.
Yeah.
It's a Chinese or India or metimafano. And your politics. Inti some politician and no push or monkran or
but a movement championing political agenda.
A movement coming to correct the political principles, chronicles, and whatever that the politics is supposed to be that has democratized the entire nation. That's what the movement is about. Because I mean, free say narrative now, dear politics, you know, and ye susiasem. Any your tradition, your culture, and share. You will be no maybe a wa bruches and be na church or paper soon a month for ready train. And now if a fan microphone so a beer, almost so ministers be almost so a beer, no works and housing cry, no name both works, no name housing and so on, or a minister nibi. And no son of money necessary, sister. Now movement nowadays is no, or shake crana and conform shasia, or mu pushy Ghana, a nim from the beginning, no. Now, omunyina mba no mu ye young, omu bo shit. Oma ye ready. Now, and then I'm saying go for Tiasian.
Kumasi, Florida for Kumarican. Florida say men can choose obu boy and so be ban wamba hobi. No more parliament do a bantam. Yes, or stormy ho. Na omu husu. Message was just sent to me. Say ya fa bantama. Na Florida for person mushiao. On person ba ban enumrenti. Me coordinate the leader no. Now on share. But Nana, I think we have to be wrapping up the discussion. Yeah, because wedding come. I wish say because wedding come because I would want to have a better understanding the vision. What projected one thing say Juma unemployment. Idea what koto ni nyina no can afford do na area show. And I believe why you be there now go so you be there having the track record of making it. 15 years free Ghana, 21 years Obana Ukra about 1 million. It's such a wonderful, records. And everybody want to learn from you. Now we'll grow as a youth. Again, I'll be catch there as Antamine Ghana are 80. We need to be wrapping up.
Me free say Ghana for Emrenaso. Mumfo binswa. Onim sikape.
Yeah.
Onim nipa kra. Mumfo bia. Osenswa.
Okay.
Ono so odi oshe bibiase. Mun try bibia mo ankasa no enye obi na force mo se mun try bibia efiri makoma mu mun try bibia ye mo dia mun try bibia mo betimi awo no na mo ma me ne mo ye ne ma me ne papa kra mo ka chense on transfer otimi atena se mo mfa bibia te se oba ono no na oba ba ye giant wo mo so a te se obi antimi ne nkasa emre na so se obi a te se at least ohun sika peda no wonim sika kra wotimi aboa aye bibia sesa ne man kakra wo wotimi do ani hu no yen try bibi sa na yen hwe na yen jai say sa blueprint bi ne template bi e wo ho yes a duopoly bi e di man so na every 4-8 years bi ano na ye ko say eni se ko say bi me se ko ye ni nti eno na me ka kire Ghana man na me bi me free say kakra na metimi aye dada no na hode ame wo no metimi dey more say me nya chance na enye say me baba ye bibi dey ama me ho because dey me biem na metimi aye ama me ho a mentimi nya dada say me koto plane crowd obi enu say metimi ato me si dan to aso 2050 obi enu say metimi aye nti me koye ma me ho kra biem na enya de a eye me de say me ye biem ena dan kra na still am da so sisi enso me nko ho biem enso esi nti me fi say mre na so say metimi aboa me man na kakra ne mre na nya me di ama me no metimi di asesa nipa etibia mu na ama emrepa abayanim na ama ahoto ene ndaso enso aba yimu.
Why not joining force with the movement, other movement groups like the Island, the Frefrantol, the other minor political parties having ideology for change? What take you through that? What do you
say? Me who force?
Has there been any approach?
Me who force no. More order the anka force be or anka member. But me who force be Alan is a great man, he's a great politician.
Yeah.
What in Americana say. Yeah. And me free say ebia ni oye no. Idea on so episode in the movement what I say obetimi atichire ni dom.
But we now approach you.
Oh, it's not something that means so me kwakwa approaching and also
Okay.
no baby approaching me. Say, but Alan is like my uncle.
Okay.
Meet him on her anytime.
Yeah.
What I say, I like even when he was in labor.
Yeah.
Because
The trade ministry.
Trade.
Yeah.
Okahuno much trade after
Of
on
course.
Africa Free Trade.
course.
Me manage ho pa minim say sebi say yeah it me to toy plants near the idea factories there after no e be very successful na anya dia China phobia na say America phobia no mo ba betunto mo no mama ne asan ton ama nti me free say e abekra be di mine so a metimi aye raw materials ne minerals I betunto ama ye ho from Togo to Nigeria to Cote d'Ivoire Africa kro na nkasa no what I say be trade ya minerals say wo machines ne nko a betimi dia plant na and we my Africa economy West Africa economy no boosting more. But see, I mean, no case idea. Me say West Africa economy no, omu collapse no. Oko Nigeria the same thing, Uba Ghana the same thing, Uko Ivory Coast the same thing. But obi at the no omu yet to send yehu omu. Na yesu oh, nti e pese ye ma ade no omu ye stop it. And Alan, I want to big him up in what he's doing and bless him in what he's doing. Because once wa omu wo ada parties near the idea no. I wish them well. Okay. And then we will see what happens at the end of the year and how we continue the year from here going.
Nana Kwame Bediako, the founder and leader for the New Force. It's been a wonderful discussion. There is a final pain. Utie enia in common BC, but Yami admit Chinesiano. The SG Moore na 101. He's just a lovely guy. I mean, Uhuna, you love him. And he you have anything you want to discuss with him na abuao. But Anope, I am more than grateful.
I am
for
too.
passing through. It's
too.
been a very wonderful time. Obibini akwehne the hoster Obabe take over with the Bibin Sroma. Nyame admire be Sanswesha together with the entire production team. We need the Duanaba Kofi Santa. This is Wonsum, your most authoritative weekend political show. I Debro from Unia TV and everywhere. Good morning.
Yeah, my name was so. Yeah.